Tesla, the company that promised to change the world, the symbol of innovation, progress, and the clean energy revolution. But what if the story you've been told isn't the full truth? What if behind the sleek cars, billion-dollar headlines, and the legend of Elon Musk lies a secret Tesla doesn't want you to know? This isn't a hit piece, it's a wake-up call. Because while Tesla built its reputation on transparency and technology, the truth beneath that glossy surface may change how you see it forever. When Tesla began, it wasn't just selling cars, it was selling a dream that humanity could finally escape oil, pollution, and the old world of combustion engines. Every launch, every tweet, every delivery fed that dream. But dreams can blind us to what's real. While the world admired Tesla's rise, few noticed the shadows behind it. The first secret begins with safety. Tesla's Autopilot and full self-driving were sold as the future of transport. Yet behind the hype lies a troubling pattern: accidents, fatalities, and missing data. Families of crash victims have begged Tesla to release vehicle logs, showing what happened seconds before impact. The company often refuses, calling the data proprietary. Whistleblowers say they were told to hide reports that contradicted public statements. A self-driving car company afraid to share its driving data. If that doesn't sound suspicious, what does? Whenever crashes occur, Tesla's explanation is always driver error. A convenient answer, impossible to disprove without the hidden data. Then come the battery fires. Tesla's lithium-ion packs deliver speed and range, but carry risk. When damaged, they can ignite in a process called thermal runaway, a fire burning above 1,000 degrees that can reignite hours later. Firefighters have reported Teslas catching fire again long after being extinguished. Yet Tesla insists such cases are extremely rare. But rare doesn't mean safe. You wouldn't board a plane that rarely catches fire. Still, thousands of Teslas sit in garages every night, their owners unaware that one short circuit could start an inferno. Tesla's secret isn't only about safety, it's about control. When you buy a Tesla, you don't fully own it. Tesla decides which features you can use and can remove them remotely. Want heated seats or faster acceleration? That's a paid software unlock, even though the hardware's already installed. One buyer discovered his Autopilot disabled after resale because Tesla said the new owner hadn't paid for it. Imagine buying a car only for the manufacturer to flip switches inside it whenever they want. That's not ownership. It's digital dependence disguised as innovation. Repairs tell the same story. Tesla blocks most independent mechanics from fixing its cars. Diagnostic tools, parts, and repair permissions are locked behind company approval. Every issue, from a faulty sensor to a major battery fault, must go through Tesla. Costs rise, waits stretch, and owners become hostages to the brand. Some call it Apple-style control with life and death consequences. You can't just switch mechanics like you switch apps. So why does Tesla get away with it? The answer is influence. Tesla has mastered political and media manipulation. It presents itself as Earth's savior, and few politicians dare oppose that image. The company lobbies aggressively, winning exemptions from safety testing, repair laws, and factory oversight. In states like Texas, it bypassed dealerships entirely while avoiding many consumer protection rules. Regulators tread lightly because Tesla isn't just a company, it's a movement. And no one wants to be the one who says no to saving the planet. Inside Tesla, former employees describe a culture of secrecy and pressure. Production goals pushed beyond safety limits. Injuries ignored to keep numbers high. Quality shortcuts accepted to meet deadlines. Leaked messages showed engineers warning about defects. Warnings dismissed in the rush to expand. And when workers or customers spoke up, Tesla responded with non-disclosure agreements. Legal muzzles that buried their stories. The pattern was simple: pay, seal, forget. Tesla's greatest success isn't just its cars, it's its narrative. It turned fans into defenders, quick to dismiss criticism as anti-innovation. That's how you build loyalty that borders on religion. But facts don't disappear because people ignore them. Tesla's dark secret isn't a single scandal, it's a system. Safety data hidden, battery fires minimized, repair monopolies justified, employees silenced, regulators influenced. Every thread leads to one truth: control at all costs. Now ask yourself, what happens when that control slips? When the truth becomes too big to hide? What if one catastrophic event exposes everything behind the brand's spotless image? That day may be closer than you think. If Tesla ES full safety data were ever made public, or if regulators launched a real investigation, the results could shake the entire EV industry. Stock prices, government incentives, investor confidence, all could crumble overnight. The world's faith in electric mobility rests on Tesla's shoulders. And if those shoulders crack, the dream of a sustainable future may fall with them. But here's where you, the viewer, come in. You can demand transparency. You can support right-to-repair laws that return control to owners. You can question companies that preach sustainability while hiding the truth. Because real progress doesn't fear scrutiny, it thrives on it. Maybe Tesla's real legacy won't be its cars, but the lesson it teaches about blind trust. At Truvo, we believe knowledge is power. We don't chase hype, we uncover what's beneath it. If this story opened your eyes, subscribe to Truvo, like this video, and share it so more people can see beyond the headlines. Your support tells the algorithm and the world that truth still matters. Before you go, consider this. If the company leading the electric revolution hides its truths, what does that mean for the revolution itself? Can a sustainable future be built on secrecy? Tesla may keep its data sealed and its PR machine loud, but truth doesn't fade, it waits. And when it surfaces, it changes everything. This is Truvo. We tell the stories they don't want you to hear. Stay curious, stay skeptical, and never stop asking, what else are they not telling us?